Onions have been a staple in our kitchens and medicine cabinets for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Egypt. These humble bulbs are packed with nutrients like vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a powerhouse for our health. They contain quercetin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help combat diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Traditionally, onions have been used to treat colds and respiratory issues, while modern studies suggest they may even support gut health and boost immunity. Their sulfur compounds can aid in detoxification, and the fiber they provide is essential for digestion. So, whether you're adding them to a stir-fry or sipping onion broth, remember that these versatile vegetables are not just flavorful, they're a natural ally in promoting overall wellness.